Residents of Ingkhol under Wangkhe Assembly constituency today took out agitation and submitted a memorandum to Manipur governor demanding to quash the evacuation order of villagers of Ingkhol for High Court of Manipur expansion project. The residents of Ingkhol thronged Raj Bhavan demanding revocation of evacuation order. Speaking on the sidelines, a protester named Saubam Mombi said Ingkhol used to be an isolated place where people suffering from leprosy and TB were ostracized some 60 years ago, and the village has developed under immense hardships and challenging circumstances. While opposing the order of eviction, she asserted residents of Ingkhol will give up their lives while protecting their homes. On the other hand, another villager expressed her dissatisfaction on the local MLA for failing to stand for the residents of Ingkhol. She said politicians lined up at the locality while seeking votes, but now they have disappeared. She further urged relevant authority to save Ingkhol by revoking the order of eviction for High Court complex expansion project.
When the we eviction that Tulan do you by the lady back on that way, how I didn't make Hagan is he on the Sotaga, oh, Hypataraga, the way, Salabunga, yeah, Hypatiki, but from there, I was not happening here. Why not the way on the one to eat who let a while of lava, which is why the person completed what by the Katana election of the Canada. Like only Pasaba, I play at the Kanalapa. But they don't take up today that like what Pasaba have the ability. Why not the lion? What come along? What the water? What the lying one Pasata, what can get ready? And I left up as how would they? What Matam than up their Taraga? Laying one Pasaka, like in a lapa. Why are the better?